Hey, welcome everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add leading zeros to a SAS value. My name is Peter and I'm a technical trainer here at SAS. And this is a pretty common question that I encounter. And this is a very basic way to add leading zeros to a value for a report that you're making. And this can be used in a variety of different ways. So the first thing we need to do is we need to create a table for us to use. So this is a quick table. It's a fake data that I've created. We're going to run this program to create a table. You can download this program below in the description. So let's look at these values. We can see a couple columns: customer ID, zip code, city, income, credit score, and value. I want to start by focusing on that zip code column. Here, United States zip codes need to be 5 digits. So this first value is good, 55901. Second value only has 4 digits. It's 7010, and that leading zero is removed because you don't write that in a value. We need to add a format to add leading zeros to values with anything under 5 digits. So let's go back to our program. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to print that table. Ooh, a little typo here. And let's run that program. And again, just take a look at our data. We'll pretend this is a nice report we're making. And again, we can see those issues here. So all I really need to do is add a format to the zip column. The format we're going to use is the Z format. The Z format needs a number. That number will specify the width, which will really identify how many zeros to add. Here we need a width of 5. Anything under 5 digits will get 1 leading zero. If it's 4 digits, 2 leading zeros if it's 3 digits, and so on. And that's really it. Let me run that program. Let's take a look. And we can see our leading zeros to our 4-digit values. I want to look at that value column. And if you look at that value column, our numbers are not flush. They're really all over the place. And I want to make this more readable. So I'm actually going to clean this column up too. I'm going to go back to my program. And this column is called value. And I'm going to use that Z format. But this time, I'm going to use, again, a width of 5. But I want to specify 2 decimal points after. So this says I have a total width of 5, including the decimal and the decimal points. I'm going to run this procedure, and let's take a look. And now we can see there's leading zeros for our value here, and so on. And then now it's flush on the column, and it looks a little bit more presentable. And we can adjust this accordingly. So I can go back to my program, and say, for example, that zip code is some ID that I need, a total of width of 10 with leading zeros up to 10 spaces. I can really just change this to a different value, run my procedure, and now we can see we have a width of 10 with leading zeros as necessary. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe above, and you can see additional resources in the description below.